So we do provide all tooling here for the students that takes that financial burden off of them. Then each student has their own computer. When they get in the lab, so they can look up service information, and each student usually has a hoist also. When you go to the program, the general education requirements actually apply to furthering your degree if you decide to go for 4 years as opposed to 2 years. That the cost of for-profit schools is about 3 times higher than what Moraine Park charges for education here. So once you leave there, you may have gotten automotive information, but you haven't gotten any other of the courses that make you a better rounded individual.